Hey guys and subscribers, welcome to Funtelligence. This is our first ever activity session where we're just going to be doing activities based on our weather lesson, and we're gonna have fun, importantly. Even Destiny's watching back there. Anyway, let's get to it. So, this is our activity we're doing. It says simulate evaporation, set up the condensation, create precipitation, and discuss collection. So, it says fill up a bowl with warm water to represent a water source. As you can see, I filled it up already with warm to hot water, and it's already started evaporating and condensating because of its warmth. Then it says set up the condensation. Place a small cup in the middle of the bowl. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. So, here's our cup, and we're going to cover it in plastic wrap first, because we are going to tape it. Okay, here is our cup. So we have our ice cubes here, one melting in my hand and it's about to give me hypothermia. And you're meant to place the ice cubes on top, I think. Okay, that backfired, but I'm sure it will work. And soon, because of the coldness and the warmth of the water and the ice, it should start to condensate. It's evaporating and condensating, and that is the magical wonders of science. This is what happens in the shower. So I should be able to write notes on it, but I can't. Well, that's what it is. Patience is the key, but as we can see, it has worked. So on to our next activity. Let's get to it. So we're going to fill it with water. Okay, that's good. Then we're going to put some dish soap in it. So fill the bottle 3/4 full with water. Not 3/4, but it's okay. And circular motion for a few seconds. Turn it upside down, and you should be able to see the tornado, but the tornado is not happening. Okay, that backfired, but I'm sure we can do it. I'm sure we can. Oh, it's working. No, it's not. Okay, I'm sure we can do it again. Okay, just a bit spread it out. The tornado has been made more like an ice cube. Should we retake this and add this into the video? Oh, I think so. Let's retake it, but still, oh good. Pop it in the video because this will make an amazing comedy. Okay, I have a different bottle, but first of all, you may be thinking, why put such an epic failure onto a public YouTube channel? That's because I think, and someone else agrees with me, science is more about failure, isn't it? Because you learn from your failures and you learn from your mistakes, and that is commonly said. So that's why I decided to put an amazing failure onto my YouTube channel. But the upside to that is, just because it was a failure doesn't mean that it was a complete failure. I got an amazing soap blast out of that you will see. So without further ado, I've spent 45 seconds on this pep talk. And let's get to the next round. I'm filling it up. Halfway. Okay, that's about 3/4 full. And we're going to put some dish soap. Then it says swirl it around upside down, I think, for a few seconds. Same outcome, but a bit better. Look at that tornado! It's moving, but you just can't see it. And that is why I posted that failure. I have now found another way. Circular motion, circular motion, circular motion. And that amazing tornado, which first was a failure, has now succeeded. Circular motion. This is a workout. And that tornado. That is amazing. That's why, oh, it's still going. Science is one of the things I love. It worked the first time round, and I'm proud that I failed in it. So that's that.
Bye, and see you next time. Tune in for more at Fun Intelligence Hub. Like and subscribe.